I welcome you all to this video session. So in this video session, I would like to highlight the data analytics and R applications. I have taken a certification courses on data analytics and using R with the Skyfi Lab. So actually for completing a certification course, one of the guidelines of Skyfi Lab is that learners wanted to submit an assignment. As these are guidelines, I would like to submit this assignment and I, Dr. N.K. Saktivel, and serving in this Nehru Institute of Technology residing at Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. So what I learned in the data analytics using R, and this is displayed here. Before that, in this data analytics and R, why I have chosen this certification course, because I impressed lots on data analytics as well as and R programming. As far as data analytics is concerned, it is used to analyze raw data, and not only that, with the raw data, it is possible to predict future trend. So the predicting a future trend is a very important one to understand what will happen, and according to that output prediction we can change our steps, methodologies, so that we can manage the future trend. So for example, mathematical model is concerned, we have the tens of models like mean, median, standard deviation, regression, correlation, classification, clustering, and like this tens of models and all available. So we understood all the models, and with all the models we can predict the future with the raw data. So we have the mathematical models and how it is possible to implement. One is the programming model and the other one is a package which consists of all models implemented pattern, so that whenever we are calling a package without implementations, simply with the package will give the result. For example, under a package, the mean, so simply we can use a method mean, it will give the result of mean, like this median, standard deviation. So these are available in R packages, that is R programming language. That is the reason why. So it's a system combined data analytics and R. That is the reason why I impressed to take these certification courses. The main applications of R is, it has a statistical analysis packages and the graphical representation packages also, so that whenever you are giving an input as a statistical model, and it will predict and give the graphical representation, so that the user can understand easily about that it's a future trend. Some applications, the tens of applications are there. Some applications I would like to highlight. The few applications are disease analysis. So based on gene expression patterns, the disease can be predicted well in advance, so that this data analytics models and R can be used for predicting disease analysis, especially diabetes prediction, heart complication, like this, tens of models and all available. That is the reason why I have selected the certification courses. So as far as this course is concerned, so I learned data analytics and R programming, especially in this R programming, what are the functions and what are the different data types, what are the defined functions available, like that I learned and practiced also. And as far as the data manipulation is concerned, we have that is a fantastic package called DPLOR. So this is a package used to analyze the data. So in this data manipulation model, I studied and learned different conditions and looping statements like if statement, if else statement, for statement, while statement, like this. Different statements also I learned. And finally, under this data visualization, so we have that is a ggplot, especially ggplot2. It's a great package. I impressed on this. With this plot, so for different data inputs, we can get that is output in this visualization manner, graphics manner, so that after seeing a pattern, it is easily we can classify and predict. So these are the what is called the content I learned in the Skyfi lab. So now I would like to demonstrate my assignments. So that is before demonstrating assignment, I would like to highlight how R can be installed. As far as R program is concerned, we wanted to install R and that is R Studio also. That installation process I would like to highlight. I welcome you to this video session. Now I would like to install R programming language. So now I am approaching a Google, and Google, that is R for Windows 64-bit. I am trying. So that is Windows 32. Okay, we are receiving, and I am opening this Windows. Okay, that is R4 is available now. So we can install R4. So I am opening this link. It is asking save. It is downloading right now. It is 11%, 12% like this. Let us wait to install. First we want 99%. It is on itself we can run. So I am installing R. Installation started. So asking installation. Okay, next. So we can give that next. And the C drive, or if you can change any drive, but I would like to install only in the C drive. If you wanted, you can change the drive also. And okay, that is leave it. We wanted 64 but leave it. Okay, specify yes or no to click startup options. Okay, it's not customized. We can install all so that we can proceed no. And the folder name is R. And if you wanted to create a desktop, okay, so I am enabling desktop and I am proceeding. Installation started. It's okay, installation is over and finished. R is installed here. Then after that, next if you wanted, we can open, and we are opening, that is our console is opened and is ready for operations. It is a 64-bit. Now we wanted to install R Studio. Okay, no need to save R Studio. So again, going to Google, and so we can type R Studio. R Studio for Windows 64-bit. So R Studio we can open. Then R Studio, that is version is available, free version. Okay, so you download. The download means okay, that is R Studio. This is for Windows. So you can install. Again, you are saving this one. Installation over, and that is security scan is running. Okay, then after that I can run for installation. R Studio, R Studio. So okay, R Studio also installed. So first we wanted to install R, then R Studio, and we can see R Studio there. So R Studio we can execute. So okay, now that is R Studio also installed, and we opened, and we got that is a console. Okay, and here we can demonstrate all our features and functions and all. Thank you for watching this. Okay. So the installation over. Then after that, I would like to demo my assignment. For demonstration purpose, I have taken that is two data sets. The first data set is for the COVID-19, that is COVID data analysis data set. And the second one is the diabetes in PIMA Indian women data sets. So the first one is I would like to demonstrate with this COVID data analysis, and then we will focus PIMA. As far as PIMA diabetes dataset is concerned, we have downloaded from WHO website, and the dataset consists of around 532 entries, that is records, and all the records collected from women who have less than 21 years old. And their parameters used like this. For example, NPREG called number of pregnancies, and GLU blood pressure, skin, body mass index, and diabetes age wise, and then it is a classification whether that is a diabetes is there or not, yes or no classification like this. So these are the parameters used in this data set. Now I would like to highlight OR. So actually already I have demonstrated and tested. So that is now I have opened R Studio. I would like to demonstrate one by one. The first one is we wanted to call this library function, especially data manipulation purpose. So we wanted to call tplyr package. So I am executing this one. So highlighted and I am running. Okay, now this package was invoked to this console. Then after that, for visualization purpose, we wanted to take ggplot2 also. That's the reason why I am taking the second one, okay, and calling this package also. Okay, successfully called both the packages. Then for a demonstration purpose, I would like to open, that is a COVID DA dataset. The dataset is stored in this file name like this, and I would like to open, and it is stored in this database DP. So the DP is the object, you know very well. So that is I am calling the third one. So now, okay, this data set is called and it is ready for operations. We would like to see the content of this data set. That's the reason why we have a method in R is called view. So view database. So I am executing this statement. So that is okay. After executing, okay, the data set is opened and displayed. See, so this data set consists of different columns like this. Okay, that is ISO code, then location, that means country, and date, then total cases, new cases, total deaths, new deaths, and like this. Okay, that is lot of entries and all there. It is a COVID data set, and all the data sets are loaded and shown here. Especially we can predict, okay, that is how many people affected, aged, okay, that is 65 and above or 70 and above, and like this, okay, all analysis is possible. Okay, so that is a data set is opened and viewed. Now, okay, after that, so we can read, okay, a few data sets from top onwards. For example, for 5 data entries or 10 data entries we can see. For this purpose, we can use that is head, okay, database. So this is a statement used to extract a few data entries from top onwards, head onwards. So I am running, okay. So after execution, we understood that 6 data entries taken from our data sets. So 6 entries taken. And after that, similarly, okay, we have another statement called tail. It is used to extract data from bottom of the data set. Okay, so and now I am executing, okay, from bottom, okay, 60 data sets taken. And after that, I would like to summarize databases. That means each column, okay, what are the values and all there? That's mean, median, standard deviation, like this. All the values we can calculate and we can view. For this purpose, we have summary statement. So summary statement is now I am executing. So you can see from this output, okay, the summary statement is executed. After this, okay, from each column, okay, what is the minimum value, what is the maximum value, first quartile value, okay, then the third quartile value, like this. You know very well, first quartile means 25%, third quartile means 75%, and for 50% we can use what is called the mean value, mean calculation, as well as median, like this, okay, for each column calculated. Similarly, for the next column also, minimum value, maximum value, median, mean, like this, everything is calculated. So this is advantages of summary method. Simply we can use a summary so that, okay, we will get all the details. That is the reason why we are appreciating R programming languages. And not only that, if you wanted to filter the data sets with the certain conditions, for example, I would like to see, okay, that is a data sets, okay, with the conditions of aged 65 underscore older, this column set value is greater than 10. I wanted to select and extract, okay, I wanted to see those values alone. So that's the reason why we are using this head followed by filter function. So now I am executing and you can understand, okay, that is more than 10, okay, all values and are displayed. Similarly, if I wanted to extract a few entries from a data sets from anywhere else, from top onwards we can use a head, down onwards, okay, bottom from bottom we can use a tail. As far as the slice is concerned, okay, we can select a particular field areas. As far as this example is concerned, I have extracted, okay, entries from 100 to 110. So I would like to run, okay, and you can understand, okay, that is executed. Okay, now, okay, the values are sliced and the sliced values are stored in this database DF. Okay, then I would like to see, okay, that is that content also. So that is for the purpose view we have already demonstrated. So view I am explaining. So that is your viewing. According to this output, okay, no data is available in this table as per this condition. That's all. It's not an error. Okay, no condition is there. Like this, okay, it is location wise, date wise, we can arrange. Okay, for this purpose, we have this method. Okay, I would like to execute this also. So, see from this output, we can understand location wise, date wise, okay, all the data under it is called sorted. Similarly, for example, so we have what is called data sets like this, and the data sets particular column, okay, head wanted to change. For example, I consider this one, diabetes prevalence is one of the entry, what is called a head, that should be changed to diabetes. If you wanted to see, I would like to demo this one, okay, so see this. You can see, so that is before rename, okay, so this heading is diabetes prevalence. So this heading I would like to rename as diabetes. So for this purpose I would like to use this statement. So this is the statement. After executing this one, the diabetes prevalence will be renamed to diabetes. Okay, for this purpose we are using this statement. So now, okay, I am executing this statement, okay, renamed successfully. Then I wanted to ensure that whether renamed or not. For this purpose I am using view and see. Okay, so see this one, okay, the data sets, last column, okay, so that is it is changed to diabetes. So like this, a tens of methodologies and all there, we can execute all. Okay, for visualization purpose, number of methods and all there, I am not going to execute. Okay, then next one is I would like to focus visualization purpose. For visualization, I would like to take in the second data set, which I already told you that I am taking. Okay, that the data set is stored in this schema.csv file. Okay, I would like to read this file. Okay, so I am reading now. Okay, this file is open and ready for operations. If wanted, we can see the content of this file. Okay, so content, so data is open, data set is open and it's ready for operation. These are the content. So that is X, capital X, and N, pregnancy, GLU, blood pressure, skin type, body mass index, and like this. Okay, that is all entries and are available. Okay, so first I would like to execute this statement. So that is AES is nothing but aesthetic. Okay, the aesthetic means it is used to match or mapping two entries. As far as this example is concerned, so I would like to map this X and age. Okay, so that is the purpose I am using what is called aesthetics. Okay, I'm executing this statement. Okay, so you can see, so see here X and age, it is mapped. Okay, and all the data entries and all scattered and what is called displayed here, and the color, it is displayed in color. That's the reason why I used the color equal to type. If you are not using color equal to type, obviously everything should be black only. Okay, and color for yes, represented in all blue color, and it is red in this no color, like this. Similarly, second visualization, the same, it is used for X and GLU, and another two parameters I have taken X and GLU, and I would like to see how that is a patterns and all there. See, this is the data patterns X and GLU. Okay, from this we can predict lot. Okay, similarly, another data type, that is X and blood pressure. Okay, I would like to map and study. See, you can understand how many yes and how many no's. Okay, so we can understand that blood pressure is below certain level, more what is called that is no diabetes. Okay, and that is a diabetes, it's between yes levels. So for example, you can understand above that is blood pressure is 60 and obviously that is 90. 60, between 60 and 90, more yes and all there. Okay, we can study like this. So this type of prediction, tens of predictions and all there. Just for understanding purpose, I would like to demonstrate this one. Similarly, that is the skin patterns. Okay, we can see. Similarly, that is diabetes, this one, Y diabetes, as well as X I map. And so like this, we can study any data sets with visualization, so that with the visualization thousands of entries can be seen like this, and from this visualization we can predict the patterns and we can understand the patterns, and from the pattern we can take some wise decisions. Like this, lots of demonstration we can be performed. So these are the applications of RStudio, and with the help of what is called data analytics, we can predict the future trend. So these are the things I learned. I would like to thank Skyfi Lab for providing this opportunity to submit the assignment. So I hope that this assignment will satisfy the superiors and what is called the reviewer of Skyfi Lab. Thank you.